Hey y'all, so today I'm in charge of making sides for brunch this weekend. So I'm making biscuits, and these are like the best, like cheesiest, butteriest biscuits ever. So I've got a bag of frozen Grand's biscuits. There's like 12 in a bag. And to that we're gonna be adding, this is 1 stick of butter that I've melted in the microwave. Just mixing it up so that everything is combined. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour that all over those biscuits. This is such an easy, quick bread for any brunch, but you can also use it for dinners. And on top of that, I'm adding, this is a 2-cup bag of sharp cheddar cheese. That gets spread out all over the top. These are so good. I love these biscuits, they're my favorite. Make sure you get, if you have any clumps, kind of declump them. Okay, once we've got that layer on there, make sure that one has some too. And I think the butter kind of helps it all stick too. From there, we're just gonna add some seasonings. I'm adding some black pepper. This is one of those recipes where I'm like, let's see what spices I've got in the pantry. You can use that to flavor these up. Okay, so after the pepper, I'm gonna add just a little bit more. I love this buttery steak sauce seasoning. Been using it for a lot of things. So instead of salt, using like a blend like this that has salt in it is really, really good. Okay, so once that's done, we're gonna be adding some ranch seasoning, just 1 whole pack. Did you know that ranch seasoning has 0 calories? I didn't even know. But okay. Spread that all over the top, just like that. These are gonna be so good, guys, when it comes out of the oven. Oh, okay. Then we're adding, this is a bag of real bacon pieces. You can make your own bacon bits if you want, if you have the time, or if you have some bacon left over from a different recipe, you can use that and chop that up. But for me, this is like the easiest way. And then our final ingredient, these are like 4 or 5 chopped up green onions. I'm actually gonna use my hands for this so it doesn't get all clumpy. It comes out. Okay. And I'm saving a little bit for afterwards. Okay, so once that's all in there and I can get onions off of my hands, this is gonna go into a 375-degree oven for about ½ an hour until everything is nice and poofy. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? That looks so good. It's even puffy on the sides. So go ahead and take one of these, but before I do that, let's go ahead and add the rest of those green onions right on top, just so I have a little bit of fresh green. Like that. Make sure there's a little on everything. And I'm gonna just cut into this square. They come out so good. There's, ooh, that cheese is holding it down. But look at that. Look at how puffy it gets. Oh, amazing. Wouldn't this be amazing next to like some eggs and bacon? You can actually even like split these in half and make them into like little sandwiches. But go ahead and cut into this and give this a try. Oh, so buttery. Mm. Oh my god. Mm. See how it's like completely cooked through? It's cheesy, it's ranchy, it's so good. And seriously, here, let me show you. You take this, you can split them in half. Oh, look at that. Oh, so good. Make these this weekend, it'll be amazing. You'll love it.